Astronomy Part 10, Einstein's Theory of Gravity. What is Einstein's theory of gravity?
Einstein's theory of gravity is an improvement on, the normal picture of,
the apple falling on the head. Yeah,
right. So Newton kind of made this connection that the apple falling from the tree to the earth is kind of the same thing as the earth falling into the sun. If you think about it, we're kind of like falling into the sun. We just end up falling around it. And Einstein's theory of gravity worked really well for a long time. And then Einstein figured out this much better picture of gravity that's called general relativity, and it basically says that there's kind of the whole universe is made up of this sheet of space and time, and they're kind of linked together up in this thing called space-time. And so the universe is filled with this space-time continuum, and when you put matter in space-time, it bends it. It warps it, kind of like if you were to take a bed sheet and stretch it out and set a bowling ball on it or something like that. It warps space-time, and this...
Why? Like, what is the warping function, or how does it do it? Just because things are so massive, they change the way light is emitted or something, or how does that...
I don't think that there's anybody that could tell you exactly why, but it's just that the two things are really linked. That's the kind of the essence of general relativity, that we always say that matter tells space-time how to curve, and space-time's curvature tells matter where to move.
Huh. Okay.
So because the sun is, causing this kind of curvature, it tells the earth, hey, move this way around the sun.
Got it. That's the general relativity theory, and where does E equals mc squared then fit into that? That's just the conceptual equation that links all of these things?
So E equals mc squared kind of comes from if you were to take any kind of matter, with mass m, and just poof it and take all the matter away and just say, now I'm going to make this energy. Then you would get an amount of energy out that would be E, which is equal to m, the mass of the thing, times the speed of light squared. It's a consequence of special relativity, and it's very hard to explain without math.
Fair enough. So we won't hold you to that.
Who first introduced the idea of gravity? What was Einstein's theory of gravity?